Music. BookThatApp, a Shopify booking platform review. In this video, we'll explore BookThatApp, a versatile booking platform seamlessly integrated with Shopify. Explore further using the links below. Let's dive into its features, uses, and overall experience. BookThatApp is perfect for Shopify businesses needing efficient booking management. Whether it's services like classes, events, or rentals, or products requiring appointments, this app has you covered. Its strength is seamless Shopify integration, offering a cohesive experience. A standout feature is its booking flexibility. It supports one-time appointments, recurring events, group bookings, and rentals. This suits industries from education and fitness to equipment rental and hospitality. Customizable booking forms capture specific details, preparing you for each client. BookThatApp offers real-time availability updates, syncing with your Shopify inventory, preventing overbooking. For businesses with multiple staff or locations, it includes robust calendar management. Automated notifications remind customers, reducing no-shows. It also supports custom emails and SMS notifications, adding a professional touch. For classes or events, it seamlessly manages attendee lists, wait lists, and capacity. Set pricing variations for different times, days, or services. Finally, reporting tools track performance, bookings, and revenue, helping you refine your services. Manage bookings on the go with its mobile-friendly design. In short, BookThatApp is a robust, flexible booking solution for Shopify users, enhancing convenience and streamlining operations. Its features and easy integration make it a top choice. Check the links below to learn more and see if BookThatApp is right for you.